After the hype around the new Galaxy devices died down, the spotlight has now turned to the upcoming Google Pixel devices. Over the past few days, there have been several leaks about the Pixel 9 series, where we were able to see the Pixel 9 in a video, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold name was confirmed, the Pixel 9 series pricing was revealed, and more. Alongside the Pixel 9, the Pixel 9 Pro XL has appeared in several videos, comparing the size and design of the Pixel 9 and the Pixel 9 Pro XL, the Pixel 9 Pro XL and the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and the Pixel 9 Pro XL and the iPhone 15 Pro Max. These videos were posted by a TikTok account called Pixel Unpacking. The first video compares the size of the Pixel 9 and 9 Pro XL, confirming the latter's larger size. The Pixel 9 has a 6.24-inch display, while the 9 Pro XL has a 6.3-inch display. The Pixel 9 Pro is said to have a 634-inch display. The Pixel 9 Pro XL has 3 rear cameras, an LED flash, and a temperature sensor. The power and volume keys are located on the right side frame, like the Pixel 9, and at the bottom are the SIM tray, Type-C port, and speaker grille. The Pixel 9 Pro XL features a wide bezel, which is not available on the base model. Google's launch strategy has changed this year, with a surprise event scheduled for August 13th, 2 months ahead of the usual launch date. The Pixel 9 series includes 4 different models: the Pixel 9, 9 Pro, 9 Pro XL, and the foldable Pixel 9 Pro Fold. The Pixel 9 is the direct successor to the Pixel 8, while the 9 Pro XL takes the place of the Pixel 8 Pro, and the Pixel 9 Pro Fold completes the lineup as the successor to the original Pixel Fold. Potential pricing for all 4 devices has been revealed. The Pixel 9 will be priced at $899 for 128GB and $999 for 256GB. The Pixel 9 Pro starts at $1,999 for 128GB, going up to $1,199 for 256GB and $1,329 for 512GB. The Pixel 9 Pro XL starts at $1,999 for 128GB, going up to $1,299 for 256GB, $1,429 for 512GB, and $1,389 for 1TB. The 1TB version is only available in Obsidian, while the other models are available in Porcelain, Hazel, and Pink. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold will be priced at $1,399 for 256GB and $2,029 for 512GB, and will only be available in Obsidian and Porcelain. All Pixel 9 devices include an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor, which is faster and more reliable than optical sensors and works even if your finger is wet. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold will retain a capacitive sensor built into the power button. Google Pixel phones have always been known for their advanced AI capabilities, giving them a leg up on other smartphones. From the beginning, Google has focused on developing unique and practical features, and with the current focus on AI technology, the upcoming Google Pixel 9 series is expected to offer even more advanced AI experiences. According to a source within Google, Android Authority has revealed that Google is preparing to launch a new set of AI features under the Google Eye umbrella, which will include a feature similar to Microsoft's controversial Summon feature. This set will include new innovations and existing functions. While features like Circle to Search and Gemini are already available on Pixel phones and other devices, Google AI will introduce 3 completely new features. One of these features is Add Me, which ensures that everyone is included in a group photo. This feature appears to be an improved version of Best Take, as it not only changes the expressions of people in the photo, but also combines different shots of different individuals. This move indicates Google's commitment to focusing on the subject of the photo rather than the actual content, suggesting that AI could provide a solution to this challenge. Another new addition is Studio, which appears to be an improved version of the Creative Assistant app we've seen before. Early indications suggest that Studio will be integrated into the Screenshot Editor app on Pixel phones, allowing users to create unique stickers through a remixing process. However, the app's capabilities appear to extend beyond just sticker creation, with hints of a more comprehensive AI image generator similar to Apple's Photo Playground. It's important to note that Google is actively developing image and video generation models, with tools like Image EFs allowing users to try out the Google Imagen 2 model. Additionally, VideoFX, currently in closed beta, extends this functionality to include video content. Integrating Studio into other Google apps is something to look forward to, as it could revolutionize users' creative processes. One notable feature is Pixel Screenshots, which is similar to Microsoft's Recall feature. Recall, which is exclusive to Windows 11 Copilot plus PCs, automatically captures user activity and uses on-device AI to facilitate quick retrieval of information. However, privacy concerns arose when it was discovered that potential attackers could access the stored data, prompting Microsoft to pause the rollout of the feature for further improvement. The development of these innovative features underscores the constant evolution of technology and its impact on user experiences. In this context, Google has taken a different approach to this feature, with a greater focus on privacy. Instead of automatically capturing everything, the app will only process the screenshots you take yourself. The app will then add additional metadata, such as app names and web links, before analyzing them with local AI. This new implementation seems to provide a safer way to search for screenshots and ask questions about them. What do you think of these new features? Share your thoughts in the comments section. For more updates, you can follow our channel. Thanks for watching with Galaxy Go.